Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio Inte Malai Okor Les Ozman.
Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Shalom and blessings, welcome to our channel. Every Wednesday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from the holy Hasidic volume, Noam Elimelech. This week, for Parshas Savo, the Rebbe Melech teaches a homily on Deuteronomy chapter 26, explaining how serving God with love can bring down a stream of blessings from heaven. Let's watch.
Baruch Habayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Melech from Lezhensk in the classical Hasidic volume Noam Elimelech. This week's Parshas Savo. Parsha begins Deuteronomy chapter 26 verse 1. V'hoya ki Savo, will be when you come into the Holy Land. Near Lefarish, it appears that we can explain. Yesh shnei madregas tzadikim, there are two levels of saints. Yesh tzadik oved Hashem yira kol yimei sachol, v'kshagia Shabbos Kedushin Tosef v'lov Kedusha Yisrael shoved me'ahava. There's one type of saint who worships the Lord all week long out of fear of God. And when the Holy Sabbath comes, and there's extra holiness upon him, then he serves and worships the Lord with love. Because the archetype of the Sabbath is love. And this saint comes to the archetype of love. But there's another type of saint who even in the weekdays worships the Lord out of love, is a tzaddik nikra b'shem Shabbos. And this type of saint is called himself the Sabbath. As the Holy Zohar teaches, that a sage, a scholar, is called the Sabbath. That's because the Sabbath is the archetype of love. And this saint is also always in this level, in this archetype, and therefore he's also called by the name of the Sabbath. This is what our sages taught. Anyone who enjoys the Sabbath is given a limitless heritage. The word es could also mean with, so it means that the saint who is constantly on that level of the Sabbath is like one who enjoys together with the Sabbath, that they give enjoyment one to another. Because he's always in that archetype of love, just like the Sabbath, that he is given to him a heritage, it means the stream of the Lord. That's a supernal stream. That from there the saint brings down the blessings and influence to the Jewish people, to the Israelites. This is what we find with Elijah the prophet, maybe remembered well. In the book of Kings, At chapter 7, 1 Kings chapter 17, it says that Elijah spent time, he dwelled when he was running away from King Ahab and Queen Jezebel, that he dwelt in a place that was the stream of Kerith, and the ravens would bring him bread. How is it that the Lord chose ravens who are cruel to their own children, that they should bring Elijah the prophet bread? And according to our previously stated words, we can say this is the explanation. He dwelt at the stream, and he was bringing down blessings from the supernal stream. The way of the ravens, which represents the archetype of the exterior powers of evil, they try to snatch away these blessings. But if someone worships the Lord out of love, they also agree with him and make peace with him, that they will not touch that blessing, that influence. That's what's hinted to here, that the ravens would bring Elijah the prophet bread, that even the forces of evil agreed with him. That's what it means. Anyone who rejoices and enjoys the Sabbath is given a heritage, which means that he's given a stream, canal, as we said above, that he brings down blessings from the stream of the Lord, without any limits, without anyone to prosecute him or hold him back. That's why it says when he comes. When you come in the individual sense, it doesn't say in the plural, it says in the singular tense. It means that when the whole Israelite nation is unified, as if they were one person. Asher Hashem Elkecha, the Lord thy God, means to say that the general community of the entire Israelite nation, you have these two archetypes, love and fear. Hashem the name, the Tetragrammaton, the name Havaya, the name of the Lord, represents love, and the name Elokim, which is the name God, represents judgment, which is the fear of God. But when they are totally in unity, then he will give you a heritage and you will possess it. What does it mean again, this heritage? It represents that archetype that is the river, the stream of the Lord. It'll be in your hand, that you'll be able to bring down influence and holiness and blessing to all of Israel. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.